Hello, it's Oleg here. Today I'm going to show you a relatively easy and quick way to build a prospect list for your hypothesis. So let's start with the example. Last week I spoke at the IT online conference and showed this example. So for instance, I'm targeting my offer is Hubspot setup and marketing automation. So I help companies to build out really the Hubspot to set up all the properties correctly, to create like lead journey and to sync all marketing and sales channels to make this CRM as really a single source of truth. The portrait of the companies I'm targeting is those are service software development companies. They use Hubspot, of course, and optionally they can use SEO tools, meaning they are targeting inbound leads. So they use a SEO strategy. They build their website and they are hoping or getting the inbound leads as well as the outbound probably. The persona I'm targeting, it's the person, it's the position in the company, is the person who is responsible for the sales department. It could be named quite differently, like head of sales or VP of sales or chief sales officer or whatever, because he's the one who really is up to solving these problems. The problems like staying on top of the leads, the lack of CRM as a single source of truth. Lots of leads are missing since we don't follow up with them. So CRM is not really helping our company. It makes things worse usually and all this stuff. So I'm going to use Lead Finder, Instantly Lead Finder. It's quite simple and easy. So here at the left, we can see the filters. I already filtered it. But I'm starting with the industry. Industry is really like a tricky thing because companies could be divided in some surprising industries sometimes. But let's start just for the example, information technology, information services, outsourcing, offshoring. There's really a lot of industries and sub-industries you can use here. Employees, I just pick those three to really cut out the big companies because instantly it has like the millions of leads, sorry, and so just to avoid really big players. And the job titles, actually you can just turn print in the sales, and there's a lot of positions you can use here, like vice president of sales, senior vice president of sales, and so on. So I just got these job titles. And the technologies, it's really important filter here. So there's really a lot of technologies you can use, but just Hubspot and everything around Hubspot could be really used here, like Hubspot forms and so on. And yes, so in this way, I just got a great number of the prospects. So here's the list. I can add it to the campaign strictly, but I always suggest to double check them because sometimes you're not going to have like all leads exactly fitting your ICP. Yes, but here's the number I can start with, and this is how it usually works. Thank you very much. Would love to hear your feedback and your use cases probably with the lead finder or any other tools like Apollo or something. Yeah, thanks.